Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by enabling Remote Desktop in System Settings on your Windows PC. Confirm the PC name or local IP address for connections. Set a strong account password and test local sign-in to ensure credentials work. Open Windows Firewall Settings and create an inbound rule to allow TCP port 3389 for private networks only. Disable public profile access for safety. Note the local IP address like 192, 168, 150 for later. Reboot if Windows requests to apply network or firewall changes. Download Ngrok for your operating system and unzip it into a dedicated folder. Sign in at the Ngrok dashboard and copy your unique auth token. Run Ngrok auth token followed by the token to authenticate the client locally. Start a TCP tunnel for RDP with the command ngrok TCP 3389 in a terminal window. Watch the ngrok status output to find the assigned public TCP endpoint. Copy the endpoint address such as 0, TCP, ngrok, EO 12300. Open your preferred remote desktop client on the remote device to initiate a session. Enter the ngrok TCP address you copied and connect using the Windows username and strong password. If the client supports it, enable network-level authentication or use an RDP gateway to reduce attack surface. Monitor active sessions on your Windows machine and sign out unattended users immediately. When finished, stop the ngrok process to close the public tunnel and revoke auth tokens if you suspect the credentials were exposed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.